If you don't know English, this video is also available in Hindi. Link is in description. Now let's start in English. So guys, in this video we'll discuss platform as a service. In the previous video guys, I have already explained you what is SaaS, that is software as a service, and in next video we'll see what is infrastructure as a service. Okay guys, these are nothing but the type of cloud computing services. Okay, there are 3 cloud computing services. So we'll discuss the second one in this video. And guys, I'd like to tell you, I also have my Hindi YouTube channel. If you know Hindi, do watch that. I'm sure you will love the content. I have uploaded more than 325 videos over there, and you will get the best explanation of cryptography series, compiler design series, linked list for interview, and so on. I'll show the playlist at the end of the video. Now let's start. Now guys, what is PaaS? PaaS stands for platform as a service, and it is generally used by the developers, okay, who develops our application and so on. Now what happens in PaaS guys, it has more control than the SaaS, that is our software as a service, which we discussed in the previous video, right? In the SaaS guys, what we were doing is we were just taking the instance from the cloud service provider and we were simply using that, right? That is, we were accessing the services over the internet, and that's it. We do not have any other control. Now in this guys, that is your platform as a service, we have some controls. Like for example, it provides us platform and environment, that is your runtime environment, okay, to allow developers to build applications and services over the internet. And we also get some tools guys for the development and deployment purpose, okay. So here we are getting these things extra, okay. So by using all these things guys, that is your tools, deployment tools and development tools, and your runtime environment and your platform, so what we'll do is we will make an application, okay. So we can make the application over here, but we do not have the choice of like choosing the operating system or something like that. We will just get the we'll get the user interface, we'll use that, and we'll use some services which are provided to us, and we'll simply make our application from that, okay. And it is used by the developers inside the organization. And in this guys, that is our platform as a service, we do not have any control over our infrastructure, okay. So that's what I have written over here. We do not have any control over the infrastructure, and if we have any control over the infrastructure guys, then what will happen is that service will become our next one, that is your infrastructure as a service, which we will discuss in the next video. So guys, your PaaS services, that is platform as a service, are hosted in the cloud and accessed by the users via web browser. And it is equally true for SaaS and IaaS also, right? That your services will be hosted in the cloud itself, and we'll access them via web browser, okay. And I have already told you that we do not have any control over the infrastructure, and we will interact with the user interface only. That is, I can say that we'll not have any control over the operating system mainly, okay. That will be provided by the vendor totally. Like for an example guys, you should not care, right, if we are getting Linux, or either we are getting Linux or we are getting Windows. Why is it so? As far as I am able to develop my application, I am getting all the tools required for development and deployment, and even I am getting the platform and environment for working. Like if I want to make a Java web based application, then I am getting the environment, like I am getting JDK also, right? I am getting everything, and I am getting the IDE, that is your Eclipse IDE, and everything which is required for that application, okay. So guys, as far as I am able to develop my application, I am not having any problem, right, whether my operating system is Linux or it is Windows. So why should I care about that, right? As far as I am able to do my work, then I should not care about that, right? So we do not have any control over the operating system also. The PaaS provider hosts the hardware and software on its own infrastructure, right? So we do not need to take care of that, so that will be provided by the vendor itself. Now we do not have any control over the cloud infrastructure. I have already told you that is, in the infrastructure we are including network, servers, operating system or storage. So we do not have any control over all these things, but we have control over what? The deployed application and the configuration settings for the application hosting environment, right? As we are getting the deployment and development tools, we are also getting the platform and environment to develop that particular application guys. So that's why we are having some control on the deployed application and the configuration settings as well, okay. So now let us discuss some advantages guys. It is cost effective, as it was in the previous one also, like SaaS, and it will also be there in the IaaS. So this will be applicable in all the 3 services, right? This will be applicable in all the 3 services. What it means is, if we are using the services for 3 days, we'll pay for 3 days only, we'll not pay for 5 days or 10 days. So you have to pay only for that amount of time for which you are using the services. Now the next one is, no need to purchase the expensive servers, software or data storage, okay. So that will be provided by your vendor itself. So again, it will save your cost over here. You're supposed to pay only for those services which you are using, so that will again save your money. So we need not purchase anything like that. That is your software, servers and data storage, and we can anytime we can scale up or scale down. I have already told you in the previous video also that we can scale up or scale down resources anytime, okay, in all the 3 that is SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. We can scale up or scale down anytime. The next one is software management, that is updates and all will be taken care by the vendor itself, that is your cloud service provider. You need not take care of anything, you are just supposed to use these services. The next one is, guys, easy deployment of web applications. Okay, it also provides easy deployment of web applications. So guys, that was the explanation of PaaS, that is platform as a service. Now let's see some examples, guys. We'll get this service, that is platform as a service, from force.com, or you can also get it from Heroku. This is a part of Salesforce, guys, right? And we can also get it from Windows Azure, that is your Microsoft Azure to be specific, and you will also get it from Google App Engine. So guys, there are many providers. I have written a few over here. Okay, so these are some of the examples of PaaS. Now guys, in the exam, if you'll get the question, explain cloud service model or the cloud computing services, so you are supposed to explain all these three services, right? I have already told you in the previous video also. And guys, one more point, we have less access to the services as compared to IaaS, right? In the IaaS, we will have some more extra services, right, which will be under our control. So we'll see that in the next video. So guys, in short, in this PaaS, we are getting the services which are available in the SaaS also, and we are having some extra benefits, like we get some platform, runtime environment, development and deployment tools which are required to develop the application, right? And on this, in this, that is PaaS, guys, we do not have any control on the infrastructure. Okay, so no control on the infrastructure. So guys, these are some of the important playlists available on my Hindi channel. If you know Hindi, do watch it. I'm sure you will love the content. Compiler design, you will get the best explanation. Cryptography and network security, the best explanation on whole YouTube, I can say. Interview preparation videos, link list for interviews, Java interview question, computer graphics, link list for interviews, and everything, guys. Okay, pointers and so on. So guys, recently we have completed 30,000 subscribers on our Hindi channel also. So do join that channel, guys. If you know Hindi, I'm sure you will love the content and you will be benefited a lot. Seriously, just check out that channel. Link is in description. And if you want the regular video updates, guys, you can join my Telegram channel, and you can also join my Instagram handle for regular video updates. And that's it. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.